Tired of your AI being more like C-3PO than Jarvis? Google's Project Astra might just be the upgrade we've been waiting for. Get ready for a closer look at the AI that could finally make your tech as smart as Iron Man's. Hit that subscribe button to join us as we dive into the future. So, let's get started. What is Project Astra? Project Astra isn't just another AI assistant. It's a leap forward in how we interact with technology. Google envisions an AI that doesn't just answer questions, but understands you, your context, your needs, even your quirks. Think of it as a super intelligent sidekick, always ready to help you out. This AI assistant is multimodal, meaning it can process information from multiple sources. It takes in what you say, what you show it, and even the context of your surroundings. This allows Astra to provide more relevant and helpful responses, unlike those single-mode assistants that get lost when you ask a follow-up question. Imagine being in a foreign country and being able to ask your AI assistant, "How do I get to the nearest coffee shop with good Wi-Fi?" And instead of just showing you a map, it takes into account your current location, the time of day, and your preferences to guide you to the perfect spot. That's the power of Project Astra. Unlike those single-mode assistants, Project Astra takes in a constant stream of audio and video input, allowing it to reason about its environment in real time and interact with you in a conversation about what it's seeing. It's like the difference between talking to a robot that can only parrot back phrases and chatting with a friend who gets your inside jokes. Okay, let's focus now on the power of Gemini. The brains behind Project Astra? That's Gemini, Google's multimodal foundation model. Gemini is what gives Astra its unique ability to understand the world around it and interact with it in a meaningful way. It's like the engine that powers this AI spaceship. Gemini is like a Swiss Army knife of AI abilities. It can tell stories, play games, create alliterations, and even generate ideas on the fly. And if you're thinking, well, my current AI assistant can already do that, hold on to your hats because Gemini takes it to a whole new level. It's like comparing a bicycle to a rocket ship. Ever used a translation app that completely butchered your phrase? Gemini promises near real-time, super accurate translations. Imagine having a natural conversation with someone who speaks a different language without those awkward pauses or mistranslations. This could revolutionize travel, communication, and cross-cultural connections. It's like having your own personal C-3PO, but without the fussy personality. Google's not keeping this tech a secret. They're making Gemini available to developers through their API, which means we're likely to see a whole ecosystem of new applications that leverage its power. Get ready for a wave of AI-powered apps that are smarter, faster, and more intuitive than ever before. Let's think about Astra in the real world. So how will we interact with Project Astra? Google is already experimenting with different form factors, from smartphones to those super cool AR glasses we've all dreamed about. Think of it like Tony Stark in the Iron Man suit, with Project Astra as his Jarvis. Except you don't need to be a billionaire playboy philanthropist to experience it. Imagine pointing your phone at a plant and instantly getting information about its species, care instructions, or even fun facts. Or strolling through a historic district and getting a guided tour from your AI assistant, complete with visuals and historical context. Now imagine taking it a step further. With AR glasses, Project Astra could guide you through a new city, point out hidden gems, or even help you find that specific item you're looking for in a crowded store. Project Astra has the potential to transform how we learn, work, and play. Imagine learning a new language by interacting with objects in your environment, or getting personalized workout routines based on your fitness goals. The possibilities are as endless as Tony Stark's imagination. But it's important to figure out the hype versus reality. Okay, let's not get carried away just yet. While the hype around Project Astra is off the charts, it's important to remember that it's still in its early stages. Like any new technology, there will be growing pains and kinks to work out. At the recent Google I/O 2024, we saw glimpses of Astra's impressive potential. But we've all experienced the frustration of dealing with AI that doesn't quite understand us. So, how will Astra handle the messy, unpredictable nature of real-world interactions? Will it be able to adapt and learn from its mistakes, or will it stumble like a newborn fawn learning to walk? Critics point out that even advanced AI models like GPT-4 struggle with understanding humor, sarcasm, and other nuances of human communication. Will Astra be able to crack the code of truly conversational AI? Or will it still feel like talking to a machine? Plus, there are legitimate concerns about data privacy. With Astra constantly listening and observing, how will Google ensure our personal information is protected? It's a big question mark that needs to be addressed before we all welcome AI into our lives. And now the AI assistant race heats up. Remember that thrilling moment in Rocky IV when underdog Rocky Balboa takes on the seemingly unbeatable Ivan Drago? Well, the AI world is about to have its own epic showdown. OpenAI fired the first punch with their impressive GPT-4o, but Google isn't backing down. Project Astra is their champion, ready to enter the ring and fight for the AI assistant crown. OpenAI has made impressive strides with GPT-4o, especially when it comes to audio processing. It can mimic human voices, generate music, and understand spoken language with incredible accuracy. It's like having a personal voice actor or composer at your disposal. But Google's Project Astra isn't pulling any punches. It's a multimodal powerhouse, seamlessly integrating visual input with language processing. Astra can identify objects in your environment, understand the context of your surroundings, and even guide you through complex tasks with augmented reality. According to MIT Technology Review, it's too early to say which is truly better, as we haven't had a chance to fully test them out. But one thing's for sure. This head-to-head competition is accelerating innovation at breakneck speed. We're likely to see more amazing AI assistants hit the market sooner than we thought. Project Astra is a glimpse into a future where technology isn't just smart, it's intuitive. It understands us, it helps us, and it challenges us to rethink the limits of what's possible. But the big question remains, are we ready for a world where our AI assistants are more than just voices in a box? The AI assistant race is heating up, and the stakes couldn't be higher. But one thing's for sure, the future of human-computer interaction is about to get a whole lot more interesting. And we'll be here to cover every twist and turn. If you're as fascinated by the future of AI as we are, hit that subscribe button and the bell, and don't miss out on our next deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence.